It's a pleasure to be joined today by Bruce Schlichter. So Bruce, what is your role at Kawneer?
I am the plant manager for the Bloomsburg operations in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania.
And how did you get started in the industry?
I got started in the metals industry through my previous company. So I was leading a facility in Clayton, New Jersey. And from that, I was able to learn about the other part of metals and the extrusion side. So then I learned about the Bloomsburg facility.
What's your favorite way to start your day?
To start my day, it would have to be, taking a walk around the plant floor. I enjoy going out and seeing, talking to people, ask how their night was or how their day has started overall.
What's your number one priority as a plant manager?
Oh, first and foremost is really around just protecting the people in the company. And that could be from a safety issue. It could also be from environmental impacts, legal issues, anything that we have to work through, helping everybody, navigate those problems appropriately.
What do you enjoy most about working at Kawneer?
I think I enjoy most the people and the challenges. I think that there's just a wonderful group of people that we work with, and I think that they complement each other.
What sets Kawneer apart in the manufacturing field?
Our standards. We really hold a very high standard when it comes to our products, what we're trying to achieve for our customers. So I think that our standards really make a big difference on what we're trying to do, both from a product as well as an environmental health and safety aspect of our facility.
How do you foster a positive work environment at your plant while maintaining high production standards?
To achieve those high standards and maintain a good environment, it's really important to make sure that everybody's involved, from a floor operator to an engineer to a leader of a department. Making sure that we're all together in the solutions really makes a big difference on our ability to tackle those problems.
Outside of the office, what do you like to do in your free time?
I spend a lot of time with my family. We do things together, hunting and fishing together with my family and my children, as well as golfing.